Humans have interacted and coexisted with polar bears for thousands of years, but our relationship with these apex predators has been very complicated. Polar bears were hunted by humans as early as 8,000 years ago, and it's believed that humans would hunt them with bows and arrows and dogs. Some hunters would use a much safer method, as they would harpoon swimming bears from boats. Even in more brutal times, the polar bear was seen as an extremely dangerous animal, and it played a role in many cultures across its range. Killing a polar bear was considered a rite of passage for boys in some cultures, and in other cultures, hunts were subject to strict rituals. Their fur was highly valued and traded in the Middle Ages, and the large-scale hunting of bears in Svalbard was active in the 18th century. The bears were originally hunted by Russian explorers, but soon after the Norwegians would hunt them too. From the 1870s to the 1970s, around 22,000 polar bears were hunted in total, and this was a big percentage of their global population. In the Canadian Arctic, polar bears were harvested by whalers, and this was especially the case if they could not get enough whales. It would be easy to understand why these predators would want revenge against humans or why they would even fear humans, but instead polar bears see humans directly as a food source. Most conflicts arise when the sea ice melts, and when bears start moving into human-inhabited areas in search of food.